Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, algebraic expressions topic we are going to discuss. So up to addition of terms already we have completed, children. So here, next topic, subtraction of like terms. So the difference between two like terms is a like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficients of other two like terms. If we have two terms like 7xy and 2xy, these two are the like terms. Their difference is also a like term, when compared to the other two, and whose numerical coefficient will be a difference of other two numerical coefficients of like terms. So 7xy minus 2xy, these two are like terms because they have common literal factor xy. The result also will be a like term having common factor xy, but its coefficient is difference of these two. 7 minus 2 how much? 5. So answer is 5xy. In that way we can subtract the like terms. Next, 4x square y minus 6x square y, x square y, same literal factor, like terms. So for result also, x square y will come as a literal factor, and numerical coefficient will be difference of these two, 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. So this is the answer. In this way, we can do subtraction of like terms. Next. So unlike terms cannot be combined or cannot be subtracted. Only like terms can be combined, can be subtracted, but not unlike terms. Next one. So additive inverse of a number. So the additive inverse of a number is obtained by a simple change of its sign, or additive inverse of a number is also called the negative of that number. So additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Same number, but symbol we have to change, sign we have to change. Plus will become minus. Or already, if it is having minus, then minus will become plus. So additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. So if we add the number and its additive inverse, which means plus 5 and minus 5, if we add, result will be 0, because the two numbers are additive inverses of each other. So the sum of number and its additive inverse will always be a 0. Next one. So additive inverse of an expression. The additive inverse of an expression is obtained by replacing each term of the expression by its additive inverse. So here, for one number, additive inverse we have calculated. Suppose if you want to calculate additive inverse of whole expression, total expression, so then how to calculate means, so for total expression, sign to be changed. So 5x will become minus 5x. Or if the expression is having multiple terms, like 6x square minus 4x plus 5, then whole expression will become negative. So we have to mention minus of whole expression we have to take. If we do like that, then sign of each term will change. Minus 6x square plus 4x minus 5. Like that, all terms sign will be changed. So for an expression, if we do additive inverse, for all the terms, sign will change. So the sum of given expression and its additive inverse, this sum also will always be 0 because all terms are opposite to each other in sign. So if we add them, result will be always equal to 0. Next. So subtraction of algebraic expressions can also be done in two methods. So row or horizontal method. The first method is row method or horizontal method. So the expression in one row with the expression to be subtracted in bracket with assigning negative sign to it, and add the additive inverse of second expression to the first expression. So let's try to understand with one example. In row method, if you want to subtract this expression from this expression to be written first, and the expression which is to be subtracted to be kept in bracket with the negative sign in front of it, which means we are subtracting it from the first one. And because of minus, all symbols will change. So this will be like its additive inverse, and the first number and the second number additive inverse, which we got by changing the signs because of this minus 3a minus 4b plus 2c. If we combine both of them, we will get the result. So that is the meaning of row method or horizontal method of subtraction. So according to definition, what they have given, children, the expression in one row with the expression to be subtracted in bracket. So the two expressions to be kept in one row, the expression to be subtracted to be kept in bracket with assigning negative sign to it, like this, to be kept in bracket, assigning negative sign to it, and add the additive inverse of second expression to the first expression. So if we keep negative sign to it, we will get, we will remove, if we change the sign of all the terms, then we will get additive inverse of second expression. Additive inverse of second expression to be added to the first expression, then we will get the result. So in this, 6a minus 3a like terms to be kept in bracket, minus 2b minus 4b to be kept in bracket, 3c plus 2c to be kept in bracket, 6a minus 3a, 3a, minus 4b minus 2b, minus 6b, 3c plus 2c, 5c. Like this we will get the answer. Next one, 1 minute. Next one, example. So subtract the sum of x square minus 5xy plus 2y square and y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. We have to subtract this sum from the sum of these two. Altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4 expressions. We have to do the sum of 1 and 2. and we have to do the sum of 3 and 4, and we have to subtract the first sum from second sum. That is the question, children. Sum of first two expressions. If we do sum of first two expressions, if we do x square minus 3x square, like terms, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2x square, minus 5x minus 2xy minus 7xy, minus 3, plus 2y square plus y square, 3y square. Sorry, children, there is some mistake. There is some mistake in the question. So it is x square minus 5xy plus 2y square. It is same. Here y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. X square term is written first. Next x term. So next y term. So here x square minus 3x square minus 2x square minus 5xy minus 2xy minus 7xy. It is please make it minus, children. Please make it minus. Here also minus, so that minus 2y square plus y square equal to minus y square. It is minus, children. Okay. Next. So 6x square minus 8xy minus 5y square, 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. This is in standard form. Next one, x square to be written first, xy next y square. So 6x square minus x square, 5x square, minus 8xy plus 2xy minus 6xy, minus y square minus 2y square minus 3y square. So this is the first sum, this is second sum, but according to question, subtract the sum of these two terms. Means first sum to be subtracted from second sum. From second sum minus first sum to be subtracted. Because of minus, all symbols will change. Minus into minus plus 2x square, minus into minus plus 7xy, minus into minus plus y square. So if we add 5x square plus 2x square, 7x square, minus 6xy plus 7xy plus xy, minus 3y square plus y square, minus 2y square is the answer. So in the question, this is to be minus, children. Please change it as minus. Next, children, we have another method of subtraction which is called column method or vertical method. So first, in step 1, both expressions to be written in standard form, and they should be written one below the other, such that the expressions to be subtracted, the expressions which we want to subtract or which to be subtracted, should come in the second row, and like terms one below the other. While subtracting in column method, we will be having rows for two expressions. Two rows will be there. The expression to be subtracted, it should be kept in second row, and like terms one below the other. Before that, they should be written in standard form. We have to follow these steps. Next, step 3. In the second row, whatever expression is there, for that, as we are subtracting, we have to change the sign of every term. We have to change the sign of every term. If we change the sign, we will get additive inverse of the second expression. which is our expression which is in second row. So next we have to add the like terms column wise and we have to keep the result. Let's try to understand with one example, children. So subtract 3a plus 4b minus 2c from 3c plus 6a minus 2b. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So this is to be written first, or first both of them to be written in standard form. This one 3a plus 4b minus 2c same, no change, but 3c plus 6a minus 2b, in that a term to be written first, next b term, next c term, next c term. So this is to be subtracted. So this to be written in second row, and this one from which we are doing the subtraction in standard form, this is equal to this, that is to be kept in first row. A term downside a term, b term downside b term, c term downside c term. Like that we have to keep. 6a minus 3a equal to 3a, minus 2b plus 4b, because we have to change the sign of all the terms. This will become minus 3a, this will become minus 4b, this will become plus 2c. Now we have to add all. 6a minus 3a, 3a, minus 2b minus 4b minus 6b, 3b plus 2c, 5c. This is the answer. Next. So subtract minus 2y square plus half y minus 3 from 7y square minus 2y plus 10. So from this we have to do the subtraction. So this to be written in first row, and the expression to be subtracted to be written in second row. Y square downside y square, y downside y, constant downside constant, and we have to take additive inverse of total expression. Each term symbol will change. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. 7y square plus 2y square, 9y square, minus 2y minus half y, 2 minus half, minus 2 minus half, minus 2 minus half will become 2 to the 4 plus 4 minus 1, 2 to the minus 4 minus 1, minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 by plus 10 plus 3 plus 13. This is the answer. In this way, we can do, with the help of subtraction method or column method, we can do the subtraction. Next children, we have multiplication of algebraic expressions. So, how to do multiplication of algebraic expressions? So, we have to follow some rules of sign, children, and some laws of exponents for doing multiplication of algebraic expressions. They are, so whenever we do the product of like signs, the product will be positive, or product of factors with like signs will be positive, product of two factors with unlike signs will be negative. Means plus into plus always becomes plus, minus into minus always becomes plus. Like signs, product will always become plus, but plus into minus will become minus, minus into plus will become minus. Unlike signs always will become, product will become negative. That rules of sign we have to follow. Along with that, if x is any variable and m n are positive integers, then x power m into x power n, product of same bases with different powers, the product will be having common base x, and powers we have to add. X power m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. This is the law of exponent. This also we have to use while doing the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Suppose multiplication of two monomials. monomials. While multiplying two monomials, monomial means having single term, one term. While multiplying the monomials, we multiply constants as we multiply normal rational numbers. In the same way, we will multiply the constants and we multiply the same variables by using laws of exponents. We multiply the constant. Suppose 3xy, 4y is there. We multiply constants 3 and 4 like normal rational numbers, and we multiply xy and y as per the laws of exponents. 3 into 4 or 3xy into 4y can be written as constants. We can write together 3 into 4. X we have only one time, we can keep in separate bracket. Y we have two times, to be written in bracket. 3 into 4, 12. X is repeated only one time, let's keep as it is. Y is repeated two times, y power 1 plus into y power 1, which means y to be written one time, 1 plus 1 equal to square, y square. So 12xy square is the answer. Next, multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Suppose multiplication of monomial by a polynomial or by a binomial in the form a into b plus c. How to do multiplication means, so first we have to multiply a by b to get the first term, and next we have to multiply a by c to get the second term. Let's see one example, children. 7x plus 5y into 3xy. This is binomial, this is monomial. How to multiply binomial with a monomial? In monomial, we have the single term. With that, we have to multiply the two terms in the binomial separately. With 3xy, let's multiply 7xy. 7xy into 3xy plus this middle symbol, plus to be taken in the middle, 3xy into 5y. Like that we can write. And again, while multiplying 7xy and 3xy, let's multiply constants. 7 3 times 21, x into x to be written one time, powers 1 plus 1 we have to add, y into y to be written one time, powers 1 plus 1 to be added. In the same way, 5 into 3, 15, y into y square, x we have only one time x we will keep. So, okay, children, then 21x square y square plus 15 xy square. This is the answer. Next, children, find the following products. Find the following products. So, we have in decimal, children. So, let's learn this type in our next video. So, that's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Visit our website aimstoday.in for information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.